All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back, everybody, and welcome once again to another late night Crypto After Dark stream. What's going on, Stragahart? My brother from another mother. What's going on, man? So I literally just popped up over here getting ready to hop up on this live, and all of a sudden it's coming a flood outside, and I don't know if it's gonna be real bad or not, but maybe it's not gonna be too bad. Maybe we're gonna be able to go live, because I've been trying. I've been keeping Stragahart waiting way too long. Way too long. Stragahart said I'm pretty tired. Bro, what? No, we don't get tired. We can't sleep. No time for sleep. No time for sleep. Okay. All right. So we are going to just go ahead and pretend like this stream has already started. Okay, man. You know what? We can go back. I'm going to roll it back one time, because honestly, more like early morning stream. You know what? Basically. But hey, I'm here. I'm here. That's what matters, right? We are here. We are here. Okay, let's get into it, man. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the stream, y'all. Good morning. Good morning, good evening, good night, good day, whatever it might be. Whatever it is, we're here. We're in it. What is up? What is up? Okay. Now, I told Greenfingers earlier, I was like, man, I'm about to just start telling everybody on the stream that they should just pay attention to your trades because you are on point, my friend. Doing well. Greenfingers, I hope you're doing good, man. Hey, Greenfingers out here hitting them left and right. Hitting those trades left and right. Hitting those trades left and right. So, crypto market in shambles. Everything's going bonkers, right? Crypto market kind of getting a little bit shaken up here. We got Bitcoin dropping drastically. I mean it's not even, you know, it's funny because Bitcoin dropped from like 110 to like 104, 105, and it's like, man, that's supposed to be a big drop, but it's like Bitcoin's still above $100,000. So it's like, I guess at some point, $100,000 Bitcoin is going to have to become, you know, the norm. It's still not really set in yet for me. It's not the norm yet, right? $100,000 Bitcoin to me is still kind of just like the wow factor, you know? But here it is now becoming the new norm. The new normal is $100,000 Bitcoin is normal now. So, you know, are we going to dump? Are we going to lose 100K support? Are we going to dump? You know, is there a Bitcoin crash coming? Well, Michael Saylor may have just gave us a sell signal, right? I mean, it's either a sell signal or we should be buying the dip, right? It's either a sell signal or we should be buying the dip, because if you look at what he has said, typically whenever whenever you start hearing things like this, you know, when you start, well, I mean, Michael Saylor, of course, is always going to be a Bitcoin permabull, right? Michael Saylor is always going to be a major Bitcoin bull, but he has declared that the Bitcoin winter is over and says that BTC is headed for $1 million. Now, is that a sell signal, guys? Whenever Michael Saylor comes out publicly and says that BTC is headed for 1 million, should we be selling or should we be buying the dip? It's a tough call, right? It's a tough call. So Michael Saylor brushing off Wall Street skeptics, claiming the company's Bitcoin-backed financial model makes shorting its stock a losing bet, and declaring that Bitcoin is headed to $1 million. You know, you can't help but love Michael Saylor. You know, I mean, even if you hate him, you still gotta love him, right? You hate him because you love him. You love him because you hate him. But yeah, so they're adding 1,045 Bitcoins to its reserves, bringing the total holdings of Michael Saylor's of strategy to 582,000 Bitcoins, valued at more than $60 billion. In a wide-ranging interview with Bloomberg, executive chairman Michael Saylor rejected recent criticism from short seller Jim Chanos and defended the premium strategy shares command over Bitcoin's spot price, Saylor argued that he doesn't truly understand what Strategy's business model is. We're actually the largest issuer of Bitcoin-backed credit instruments in the world, Saylor said, highlighting the company's issuance of preferred stocks Strike, Stride, and Strife that allow it to raise capital without diluting shareholders. Bitcoin to $1 million. Oh, you guys, you remember Crown Chakra? Bitcoin to 100 racks. Bitcoin to 100 racks. We made it. We made it. We had 100 racks. We passed 100 racks. We passed 100 racks. So Saylor further noted that Strategy is projecting $15 billion in Bitcoin-related earnings for 2025. $15 billion in Bitcoin-related earnings. He also delivered a bullish forecast about Bitcoin's trajectory. Winter's not coming back. No Bitcoin winter. Bitcoin's not going to zero. He said it's going to $1 million, as Saylor pointed to increasing institutional interest, ETF inflows, and a tightening daily supply of just 450 BTC as driving forces behind his bullish outlook. Not my crypto. If Bitcoin rallies to $500,000 or $1 million, then sure, it could fall $200,000 from those levels. So we're talking about some extremely big Bitcoin price moves. Once Bitcoin gets to this threshold, right? Once we're already passing the threshold, right? The 100K threshold. So as we pass above that 100K threshold, the moves are going to be enormous, right? So, you know, whereas we went from 70,000, 68 to $70,000 back down to 15,000, you know, we could run like he projects here, 500,000 or $1 million, and dropping almost $250,000 from those levels during a bear cycle at that point. And that's going to come. I can see us actually witnessing Bitcoin drop $200,000 or more during a bear cycle once we get up to these all-time highs. That's crazy, though, to even think about or imagine Bitcoin running to $1 million per coin and then dropping $250,000. Just think about that for a second, how enormous that is, how much money that is that's going to be just tossed around like hotcakes, man. Like hotcakes. Yes, Green Fingers, I got you, bro. I got you on that. Let me pull that up real quick, man. Saylor also shrugged off concerns about quantum computing. Turning to artificial intelligence, AI, Saylor claimed AI would become one of Bitcoin's largest demand drivers. AI will do 100,000 transactions a minute, he said, explaining that the speed and logic of intelligent machines will reject legacy banking infrastructure. Instead, he argued, Bitcoin and Layer 2 networks will offer the instant, transparent settlement layer AI will require to function at scale. You know, gotta love listening to Michael Saylor because it just immediately, you know, you can't help but be bullish whenever you listen to the guy talk, man. He loves Bitcoin. He is he's 100% all in, obviously. And, you know, it's just nice to hear someone with such an optimistic and bullish outlook. Even though, could it be the wrong time for it? Are we going to run from 100,000 to 200,000? Is it possible? Yeah. Now, sustainable? I don't know. Like he said, we could see Bitcoin run from 1 million or 500K and drop $250,000 at a time from those levels. It's very likely a possibility. Right now, it only takes $50 million to turn the engine of the crypto economy, though. So he said, but right now it only takes 50 million. Gosh. Welcome to the stream, guys. Late night alpha coming your way. We are going to jump into the charts here. I do want to just thank everybody here on the channel. Thank each and every one of you guys that jump into the stream, drop comments, drop those likes, and show that love. I appreciate you very much for being here. Green Fingers, I got you on that. What's Michael Beery up to? What happened to that guy? Now, we are starting to experience some slight technical issues here. Hopefully it will clear up in just a second. It's probably because of the weather. How much you want to bet? It's because of the weather. Slight technical issue here, but we should be okay, hopefully. Come on now. Internet is being slow. Maybe I might be able to get it off of this screen. It could have been that. Okay, we're back. We're good. Okay, sorry. We lost us there for a second, but we're back. We're good to go. Had some slight connection issues there for a sec. Man, it was that browser, man. It was that page with the Michael Saylor news, man. It was that page slowing us, lagging us down. Must have been all those ads and stuff. I really should be using Brave browser. I don't know what I'm thinking. Don't know what I'm thinking. Michael Burry. All right. So that indicator, let's see who the creator of that indicator is. Okay, so here it is. Green Fingers, if you were not able to find that indicator, here that indicator is right here. Looks like unknown unicorn. Looks like unknown unicorn. Okay, so we're going to pull out the BTC. Pump the likes one time for me. If you haven't yet, I already know that you guys have, though. Already know you guys have. Okay. Green Fingers, what is your opinion of the current state of Bitcoin? Are we still in our shorts? We are. Okay, so the 4 hour, we're losing the, I believe this would be the 200 in red. I always use red for the 200. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the fourth moving average would be red. Yes. So we got the 200 4-hour moving average right here. We're losing that. We are kind of losing that, but you lost it here and you went on a run. So, you know, we lost it here. We wicked up, but we're still slightly below it on the 4 hour. Bitcoin, ETH, and Solana long on. Bitcoin, ETH, and Solana. Nice. Okay, well, long on Bitcoin right here. I think I like it. Long on Bitcoin, ETH, and Solana. Now let me guess. Green Fingers, did you happen to snag this wick right here? I'd love to know your entry point. I would love to know your entry point, my man, on H1. Did you happen to snag that wick right there? That's a juicy wick. It's a juicy wick right there. $103.4. I knew it. Nice, dude. So right here, right in the wick, my man. So look, you already, I bet your stop loss is already in profit and you can't lose. You can't lose, can you? So Solana entry point 142, Ethereum entry point 2,451, Bitcoin entry point 103.4. Nice, man. So right in the wick, snagged it up. Nice. So I imagine if your entry point was 103.4, then yeah, you could even move your stop loss into profit already. Man, that's just wonderful, man. What? Just snagging them up, man. Just snagging them up, man. I'm telling you, that is juicy as hell. I love to see it, man. Can we get a round of applause for my man Green Fingers out here just killing it with these trades, man? That's how we do it. I love it. I love it. Okay. You know, my goal today was, it was a very modest goal. I had a goal to just make $100. I just wanted to make $100 today. That's it. That's it. I spent a lot of time over at my grandfather's helping out. Me and my son helped him out a lot today with the yard and cleaned his gutters, did a bunch of stuff like that. And so I really didn't have a lot of time to look at charts. And I'm trying my best to start doing a little analysis, doing more analysis before jumping into a trade. And so I have not been able to really get into any trades today. My goal was, though, before the end of the night to make $100. Unfortunately, it is already the next day now because it's after midnight. So I may just have to tack that $100 goal on to today, which means today, in other words, in tonight's live stream, tonight being Friday night, which will be another late night Crypto After Dark, late night alpha stream. The goal will be to make at least $200, right? So we'll double that and we'll try to make at least $200. Just $200. We can do that. Just $200. We're just trying to make $200 during a 1-2 hour, maybe 2-3 hour live stream. And I think we can do that. And then, I mean, I've done some pretty crazy before on stream. I mean, I turned 100, I 10x'd $100 in like, I don't know, a very short amount of time. 400x trading ETH on the one stream. Managed to catch that one. Made a short video out of that, by the way. You can check it out on the channel. And so, you know, I hit that one, hit a few other ones. But that will be probably my next goal. I've really tried to like be more conservative. I've really tried to be less, I don't know, less greedy, I guess you could say. I'm trying to focus on small wins and multiply those small wins into big gains, you know? And that's what I'm going to try to work on, focusing on more, just because there's been so many opportunities for me to close a trade with a small win, and I let those opportunities pass, right? And instead of getting to close with a small win, I end up either getting stopped out or breaking even. So I'm really going to start focusing on those small wins. I think with the way I use my strategy, I think that taking those small wins will really add up and eventually will add up to become very nice, healthy gains. My ETH hedge is underwater right now. So you shorted ETH? So you shorted ETH or... Okay, so we're long on Bitcoin, but can we hold that support? Ooh, because we're on the brink, man. We are definitely on the brink, y'all. It is make or break within the next... Okay, so we're going into the weekend. Yeah, next week, I feel like next week next week something's gonna happen, okay? If not before next week. But my opinion, not financial advice, my opinion only, something's about to do something big. Okay? It's gonna be big, bro. It's gonna be humongous. And I have absolutely no clue which way it's gonna go. But I can tell you where I think it'll go if it goes down. I can tell you where I think it might go if it goes up. We won't know until that time comes. Right now, we are just flirting with these all-time highs up here. Up here near $111,000. We're up here just flirting with it. And I mean flirting with it hard. Sitting at 104. Even with the dump, man. The dump. We're still at 104. Just chilling. Just chilling. Bro. Straight heart. What? No. No, that's all FUD, man. That's FUD. That's FUD, bro. That's all FUD. I mean, now, granted, we've probably already been in the WW4. We've probably already been in that for like, I mean, I would say that that's been going on for a long time, but it's a silent one, you know? I'd say that's what I believe anyways. I think it's been going on for a long time. We don't even realize it. We're just little minions, you know? We don't even realize it. But it's been happening. Aliens versus reptilian warlords? Okay, Stragahart, you lost me, buddy. You lost me, man. Listen, I believe in a lot. I believe in a lot of things, okay? I believe in a lot of things. I believe in a lot of things that a lot of people don't believe in. But I don't believe in Santa Claus. I don't believe in reptilian warlords. And aliens, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. That one's a tough one. I mean, the reptilian thing, I could never wrap my head around that, man. I think that was a big stretch. Big stretch. Okay, so, you know, we there's so much there's so much crap going on right now, y'all. So much crap. Um, I mean, even like it's even getting close to home. Like it's even getting kind of close to home. But there is so much going on in the crypto world. In the crypto world, there are so much going on. Chemtrails, I mean, absolutely, 100%. Now that's one that I do believe in. Absolutely. That's like undeniable. It's like undeniable. I mean, at this point, if people still don't realize that they are manipulating the weather, bro, if you don't realize that that is going on yet, there may be no hope for you. You may have to just, I don't know, because I mean, it's obvious. You can literally walk outside just about any day of the week during the summer, and you're going to find out one way or another. You look up enough at the sky, and you're going to see what the hell is happening. And you're going to be like, man, when it finally hits, man, I kind of feel bad for some of the folks that are still on the fence about it, or still just completely in denial with it. I'm just straight up. I know. I can tell. I can predict it. I can tell. You can tell when it's about to be a week of rain. You can tell. Yeah. It's sad too, man. It's sad. Okay. There she goes, trying to come on down. You know, let's look at the hourly real quick. Hmm. Smoking chemtrails. Bro, you know, what if there was a strain that was called chemtrails? Oh man, it's our song, y'all. It's our song, bro. Jeez, bro. All these pages are still loading. That's crazy. Bro. Man, so listen, this is crazy. This story actually, so look. This guy is from the same, I mean, we're from the same state, bro. This is crazy. Is this him? Dude, look at him. Bro, what the hell, man? Eggs and bacon. The defense pushed back. Don't push back. The defense pushed back. Oh, man. Oh. Jeez, bro. Jeez. Waltz and Duplessis were arrested last month. The indictment, which was unsealed on Wednesday, alleges they held the man against his will with intent to terrorize him and assaulted him with a chainsaw, pistol, and cattle prod. It's crazy what's going on, man. I mean, like, you know, you just didn't hear about this stuff, you know? Prosecutors have said Waltz and Duplessis lured the alleged victim, a 28-year-old man who is not identified in this indictment, to New York by allegedly threatening to have his family killed. Bro, these people are ridiculous. The man told police he arrived in New York on May 6th and went to Walt's 8-bedroom Soho townhouse where he was allegedly tortured over his Bitcoin password, according to a complaint. After more than 2 weeks, police said the man escaped from the townhouse on May 23rd and ran to a traffic enforcement officer for help. Waltz and Duplessis were subsequently arrested on charges including kidnapping, assault, and unlawful imprisonment. Bro. Right. Oh my God. So a prosecutor shared graphic details of the alleged abuse. During the hearing, she showed the judge a photo that she said depicted the alleged victim on fire and said the defendants would pour tequila on him, light him on fire, and then put the fire out, sometimes by urinating on him. Bro, these people were not playing around. But at the same time, I kind of feel like they obviously were not like professionals, right? But I don't know, maybe, I mean, just, dude, it's kind of a normal looking dude and out here torturing people. It's crazy. It's crazy, man. I mean, it really is. Nah, I'm good on that. U.S. Treasury Secretary issues huge $2 trillion crypto prediction as Bitcoin price suddenly soars. Now, this was published at 8 a.m. on June 12th. Okay, yesterday at 8 a.m. Okay, tell me what they're talking about. Somebody. Somebody tell me what they're talking about. Are they looking at the same chart? When was the price soaring? Bro, I keep having like connection issues, bro. Why? Oh. $106.6. Look at that. Lining up beautifully right there. I am definitely having some issues with the stream, it seems like. I don't understand why I have to keep having issues. Seems like the stream will start doing good and then all of a sudden it starts lagging. But maybe it's okay. U.S. Treasury Secretary predicts a true $1 trillion crypto market. I mean, that's coming from the U.S. Treasury Secretary, right? And then, of course, I mean, we could just, are these sell signals, right? Because typically whenever we see the talking heads start to get bullish, when we start to see bullish headlines, typically that's when we, that's the sell the greed, right? Buy the fear, sell the greed. If everybody's getting bullish, we're talking about when we're talking about Bitcoin going to $1 million already. Michael Saylor says Bitcoin is on track to hit $1 million. Is it a sell signal? Is the market going to go down now because of that? Is that a Saylor sell signal? Because it seems that way. It seems like as soon as the news came out about Michael Saylor adding all that Bitcoin to their reserves, that's seems like that's kind of lined up with when the price of Bitcoin started to drop. And of course, there's other things too. The May inflation and the May inflation numbers and things like that. But is it a need some late longers to get in so I can close my short in the green? Yeah, see, look, now is so like, even though the live stream has been doing good and normal, it's like every single time we get up to like 8 viewers, like we've got up to 8 viewers. And every time we get up to like a good amount of viewers, I start having like issues where the stream is not, you see, it's not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering. It's like, bro, I can't catch a break, man. Like right now, it's still can't catch a break, man. I swear. It's still doing it? Bro. Ah, I don't know. I don't know why it's doing that. It's yeah, it's not gonna get better, I don't think. What the heck? Yes, coffee and yes, you're right. Well, I may not have coffee, but yeah, definitely that time. I'm over here just vibing out, man. Just vibing out. Oh. You hear that? That guy just hit a bong? Bro, that guy just hit a bong. What is this called? That guy totally, that was definitely a bong rip. If I've ever heard a bong rip, that was a bong rip. The name of this song is Boomin'. Yeah, that was definitely a bong rip. You know, I meant to put XRP up here. Okay. I'm dry, y'all. I'm all dried up. Invisible bottles be doing that to you? Yes, sir. It's the hidden MACD. I'm revealing the MACD with my bottle. Oh man, this has got to be turned into a short. I'm definitely turning this into a short video. Revealing the MACD. Yes, that's going to be the name of it too. Oh my gosh, that's going to be the title of my short. Revealing the MACD. Capital D. Capital D. Revealing the MACD with my bottle. Can you see the MACD back there? Yeah. You see that? See how it's kind of doing its thing? It just flipped bullish right there. See how we just flipped to the green right there? Oh, that MACD is riding up. MACDs, bro. What's crazy is that, I mean, the bottle being clear is pretty cool. I'm just gonna have to drink green beer bottles from now on. So that means it's gonna have to be either a Dos Equis or a Yingling, right? Man, I still can't get over whoever that was that said I look like I gained weight, bro. Like, what you mean? Come on now. How you gonna do me like that? Nice, Green Fingers. Thanks for that. 50 and 100 EMAs on that trend trader, which that's like, I mean, I usually will use the 50 and the 200, but maybe the 50 and the 100. Typically, I will look for the 50 crossing, the 50 and the 200 to cross. Let me go grab a beer. I'll be right back. All right, I'll be right back. Yes, sir. 4 hours, bro. Get to sleep, man. Yo, what's up? Ty Stew in the building. What's going on, man? Good to see you, bro. Been a minute, but we back in it. What's going on, Ty Stew? I appreciate the likes, my friends. Much love to the homies. Let me go do what I was gonna do though. I will be right back. I promise you, I will be right back. Shout out to each and every one of you guys hopping in the stream right now. Much love, big blessings, and good gains to each and every one of you guys. And with that being said, I'm gonna go grab a brew and come share it with all of you. What's up, man? I'm doing all right. I'm doing okay, I suppose. Hope you're doing well, Ty Stu. I got you. All right, I'll be right back. 1 sec. Let me. I do want to. I'm gonna look into that, Green Fingers. I might. You know, I've always used the VRVP, I've not really used the FRVP, but maybe I will. ETH short is green. Green fingers with another steal. Wait, that was the hedge, right? The short was the hedge, if I'm not mistaken, because you were long. You were long, right? And so if the hedge is green, that means that the longs, how's the Solana long? How is the Solana long? Oh, it's a tool. I got you. Yeah, man, I'm going to definitely look into possibly checking it out. Now, I still need to go back over the message you sent. I'll look back over some of that some more, but okay. All right, man. We're doing okay so far, guys. This one, I mean, at least we do know this stream did right. We at least we can see that, you know, the date is correct on the stream, and that's a big deal. That's a big deal. So okay. Can you smell that? Ooh, yeah. All right. Man, we got the funky vibes going on tonight. We got the funk. Extra funk. Oh, don't lose the funk. Previous support or previous resistance, new support, possibilities. Oh yeah, my bad. Green fingers. What coin should I put up? XRP. So there was an article I had pulled up, but I can't get to it now. And I would think the headline was XRP last chance to become a millionaire. XRP, is XRP the one? Is XRP the one? Can you become a millionaire off XRP? Is XRP going to go to $10? I mean, you know, I tell you what. What's the new alt on the block that's got hype and not yet listed on futures? Hey. There we go. New altcoin on the block. This has got hype, but not listed on futures. That would take some deep diving, honestly. If you know, I mean, but I do know that Weeks, I know other exchanges are the same way, but I do know for sure that Weeks is constantly listing new coins, constantly listing new pairs on their exchange. For sure. I think they just listed a new coin tonight, which Coinbase also now, you know, you can trade futures on Coinbase. You know, you can trade futures on Coinbase, and you can also trade gold, you can trade silver, you can trade like other commodities and things like on Coinbase. I did not know that. You have to apply, you have to get approved to trade futures on Coinbase, but you can trade futures on Coinbase. Which I think is wild, you know? When I seen that you could trade gold and silver and oil, I was like, what? We are moving up in the world, man. And I know that's probably been like that for a minute, but I just don't use Coinbase to trade futures. So, you know, Green Fingers has got it, man. Green Fingers is on it. But yeah, I actually might sign up on Coinbase to trade futures just to be able to trade gold or trade silver or oil. My bad. We're back though, guys. We are back. My bad. I'm not sure what happened, but we're back. What's going on, bro? Can't sleep. What's going on, bro? Why can't you sleep? ETH been down today. I don't know what's going on, man. Streamlabs be shutting me down on the regular. I'm seriously gonna have to just go to something different one of these days, bro. Look, they're doing it to me again. They're shutting me down again with the frames. Bro. Like, I'm not even kidding. They are literally shutting me down right now. Like, I'm being, I don't know. Like, I'm sure I'm lagging like hell right now because literally I keep dropping frames, bro. Like, I keep dropping frames. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but down here it shows my... This should be 6,800 kilobytes per second down here, bro. I don't know if you can see that down here. Right here. Down here. But that should be 6,800 kilobytes. And right now, it's only 700 kilobytes per second. So that means that my internet connection, or no, that means that Streamlabs itself, Streamlabs is telling me no, apparently. Well, now it's back up. Now it's back up to 6,800. Bro. See? And now we're back. Good connection. The connection was bad just a second ago. Look. Look, we had a warning and everything. But now it looks like we're back. I swear every time I get up to 10 viewers. It's like I get up to 10 viewers and then bam, it's like they just come down on me. It's like I get up to 10 viewers and they just hammer me down. I swear. Look, every time we get up, look at that. Look at that. I don't know, man. I don't know if it'll work or not. We'll see. Ain't no way the streams are ever gonna do. It's honestly crazy. Like, I don't understand why it keeps doing that, bro. What is going on with this chart? What is... It's doing it again, bro. It's not. It's doing it again. 0 kilobytes. Look at that. It dropped down to 0 kilobytes. Bro, what the hell, man? I'm about to just be. I don't know if it's gotta be. I don't know if it's YouTube or if it's Streamlabs doing it. I'm not sure. It's ridiculous, though. I know that. What? Bitcoin is trying to actually bounce here on support and break out. First day of altcoin season, Diggy, man. Not much, man. Just trying to get my live stream to work right. Man, it's been rough. Finally, though. I think it's finally maybe Maybe I figured it out. I don't know. Watch it start messing up again. Bitcoin pushing that resistance right there. Are we going to break out? Measured move is 106.6. Measured move is 106.6 for Bitcoin right there. And we are trying, we just might be trying to break out on that 15-minute right here. Look at that 15-minute pump. Look at that 15-minute pump. Beer market, yes. Give me all your currency. What's up, Sergio? Sorry, but I can't do that, my friend. Give me all your currency. Bro, what you mean give me all your currency? You done lost your mind. Oh, man, bro. I'm going to be like, we live right now. Look, we live. Watch me get banned from freaking TradingView. I'm gonna get banned from TradingView, spamming my stream in TradingView chat. I'm spamming my stream in TradingView chat. Oh man, hopefully we don't get banned. That'd be some crap, man. I cannot get banned from TradingView, bro. I need that. Man, somebody in the chat over here said, What'd they say? It's gonna be a beer market. It's a beer market. Beer market. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Bro, what? Shame. Shame on who? Who is your daddy and what does he do? Abscess research. Abscess. First of all, I am your daddy. Okay. Got it? Good. Wait, what? You for spamming TV? I'm sorry, but I have no clue what you're talking about, bro. I did not spam no TV. Listen, bro. What's up, Dank Dub? Man, Dank Dub. I need me a Dank Dub. Oh, I did spam TradingView. I didn't spam TradingView though. I was just trying to tell you guys to come chill, man. I mean, you guys seem pretty cool in the chat, for real. Not even playing. I mean, TradingView chat is always like, you know, you get on TradingView chat and you're like, man, these people are my people, man. Am simple corn farmer from State Farm. You are a simple corn farmer from State Farm. Wait, what? What's up, Sam? TradingView chat, chill, bro. TradingView chat is the bomb. Yeah, you guys, like, no, seriously though. I go there. I come here. This is where I find my. This is where I find my long lost friends. Jake from State Farm. TradingView chat, that place far out. So many nutters. Yes, Sam. Yes. Yes. It's great though. It's a great place to I mean, it really is. I like just throwing it up on stream sometimes. Just because like sometimes, I'm not kidding. Sometimes it's pretty entertaining. Not a drinking problem. You're a drinking officer. I'm not a drinking problem. You're a drinking officer. I don't know if that's going to work, dang dub. Who is this? Tito Knows Best saying WW3 is here? WW3 is here. Why? No. No, bro. Shelty Lover. What? Let's see what this looks like, man. What are they saying right there? I don't understand. Bro, what? Bear. Maybe he's getting Web3 and WW3 mixed up. I love it. That's a good one, bro. That's a good one. Man, hey, shout out to you guys for showing up in the stream, though. Like, for real. Shout out to both of you. Or, actually, there was like 3 or 4 of you that came from TradingView chat. That's awesome, bro. That is awesome. No, that's legit awesome, man. It's nice to hear a human for a sec, bro. Damn, bro. You got to get out more. For real. But yes, you can always come here if you want to hear a human. If you consider me a human, then I will take it. I'll take it. And I don't know what's going on with the music right now, but it's kind of a vibe. Until it goes off. Oh God, now it's about to be some kind of crazy, wild techno. What is this guy talking about? What is this? Bro, what? Now you have me questioning your human credentials? Good, you should be. Far out. Are we ready for alts and BTC to pump back up or what? Yes. Yes, we are. We are ready. I think we're way past ready for an actual bull run. I don't know about you guys, but I'm way past ready for an actual bull run. Yes. Yeah. Way past ready. I'm over here just like pulling up people's. Let's see. Some of this stuff though, it's like, what are y'all talking about? What you talking about, Dusty? What you talking about? Once it can break this 104.8 resistance, it's looking pretty clear back to 109.6. Pretty clear to 109.6. Hey, look, you said 104.8. Hey, we're at it. We're at it right now. And I mean, honestly, if this is accurate, my measurement, pretty accurate, then I mean, technically though, we got a wall right here at 10. What is that? 106. There's a wall at like 105.970, 105.965, 105.965, 105.965. That's what it is pretty much. 105.965. There's a wall. There's a little bitty wall right there. So I don't know. I mean, look, there's a POC on the VRVP. POC, point of control. Let them know, Joe. Max Payne, 107K. Dude, your TradingView setup looks like the last acid trip I took. How does it not trip you out while trying not to throw your savings away on random shit coins? Bro, wait, what? What you mean? Wait, is it because of the color scheme or like what do you mean my TradingView setup? There's not even a lot going on, bro. There's literally not a lot going on on my like I've got 4 indicators on here, bro. What are you talking about, man? The colors. Oh, I got you. Wait. Oh, my screen. Look, I forget that I've got the EQ going in the background. My bad. Yeah. Oh, it gets better though. Hey, Abscess Research, thanks for hitting that subscribe button, bro. Much love, man. Much love, man. I'm gonna have to start commenting in the TradingView chat more often, bro. We're gonna start recruiting people. We're gonna recruit people from TradingView chat. We out here recruiting subscribers from TradingView. Hey, that's the best place though, right? Thought that was a VPVR? It is a VPVR. What did I say? What did I say, bro? Did I not say VPVR? Oh, thought that was a... You thought the EQ was a what? No. Respect, bro. Respect for you, Abscess. I appreciate you. Bro, if this was the VPVR or the VRVP or the whatever the hell you want to call it, it would be moving. It's moving in what? It's a like what? Oh man, listen, this is great. No, this is great. I appreciate you guys very much, man. Each and every one of you guys. Let's go, man. One time for the one time. Can we get a breakout Bitcoin? Let's go. Aaron C, thanks for hitting that subscribe button. We reeling them in with this one, boys. I just wish TradingView wasn't so damn expensive. You know, TradingView Premium works out to $1,300. Bro, listen, I'm telling you, I've got the... what do I even have, bro? Where am I at? Oh, I'm over here. I don't even know what I do have, honestly. What do I have? I don't have the... I don't know. I'm at the lowest package, I think. I'm not the basic package, but I'm like at the lowest package. I'm not Yes, Apsis Research, major point right there. Eastern Black Friday deals for TradingView. Oh my God, my country accent, my country twang just came out right then. Woo! I try to minimize that. I try to keep that to a bare minimum. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe I should just embrace the country twang. But yes, man, the Eastern Black Friday deals with TradingView, bangers, really bangers. I have the package that comes with 5 indicators, I think. But, and I mean, I really do need a better package, but like you guys were just saying, I just can't bring myself to pay for that, you know? It's like I would rather take that money each month, even though it might not be a lot, take that money each month and put it into, invest it, right? I can deal with just using 5 indicators. I don't need a professional TradingView package that's going to cost me like my altcoin money, you know? But at the same time, I mean, I'm already like, gosh, paying for a lot of things when it comes to crypto, well, YouTube and all this. I mean, TradingView, I pay for other subscriptions. Like, I don't even have room to pay for like Netflix or anything, bro. I don't even pay for streaming services, okay? I don't pay for none of that, bro. I don't pay for none of that because I'm literally paying for TradingView, Canva, ChatGPT, all kinds of stuff, man. I mean, I'm paying for X, X. I've got the little blue check on X. I mean, we're paying all these subscriptions, man. It's crazy. I definitely ain't got room for a streaming service, man. I just be watching free TV, man. If I ever do watch TV, and I barely watch TV, to be honest. I very rarely watch TV. Aaron C, what's good, man? Yo, bro, do you have a position open right now? I do not have a position open right now. I do not have any trades open at the current moment. Although Bitcoin is looking very juicy here on this 15-minute test of this resistance here. We almost broke out. And I bet you some people got faked out right here. Honestly, above that resistance. I bet you some people got faked out right there on that red candle. But that's okay. It's okay. No more auto pay out of blue. Sam, I totally agree. Look, TradingView, I totally agree, Sam, because TradingView definitely is taking advantage of people because, like you said, when you just want to be able to use a couple more indicators, you're not really asking for a lot. You shouldn't have to pay hundreds of more dollars just to be able to do that. I totally agree, bro. Good idea, Dank Dub. And speaking of new bank card, I don't know if you guys seen where the new Coinbase One card is going to be coming out this fall, and you get 4% back in Bitcoin for every purchase. I think that's pretty cool. I might even try to get one. I do pay for Coinbase One. That's another subscription that I pay for to go along with all the other subscriptions I pay for to keep my YouTube and crypto, whatever you would call it. I guess you'd call it a side hustle, hobby. I don't know what you call it. It's not a side hustle when it is literally my full-time job. But, yeah. I can't do this right now. That was too much. I don't know who was tripping in the chat, but if you weren't tripping yet, you're about to be tripping. Pepe is down 13.5%, which is looking tasty for a small, low leverage, long. Hey, XRP is crazy low for all the news around it over the past few weeks. I agree with that statement very much. We were actually looking at XRP right here. And, we are XRP. If you go back and look right there, just go back and look, we came up, we tested it. And where we're at now, we're just asking asking, we're coming down to test that previous top here for support on that previous resistance, and XRP is asking for a major move here. This could easily form, this could even form a, I don't want to say it. That is we're on the monthly right now. Oh no, we can't put in a monthly bull flag. There's no way. There's no way. Or can we? Can we? No. No. That's just insanity. We can't do that. Somebody tell me I'm crazy. Tell me I don't know what I'm doing. There's no way there's no way. We should not even do this, right? We should not even see what this is going to be. Should we even see what this is going to be? This is not even filled out yet, right? We still got more price action. Why not? Let's do it. Not financial advice anyways. Okay, $15? Why not? $15 XRP. I got Cash App debit card, rounds up all transactions and buys Bitcoin with 0 fee. Nice. I did not know that you could do that on Cash App, actually. I've never really messed with Bitcoin on Cash App just because I use other exchanges and Coinbase and everything. But if you are getting Bitcoin with every transaction and no fee, hey, nice. Very nice, actually. Look, $15 XRP. Is that too much? Is that too much? Or does that sound just right? Does that sound just right? It kind of does sound just right. You know? What? Bro. What? Listen. When stuff like that happens, when the music, he was just like, it sound right, boy. What? Right after I just said that sounds right. Okay, sorry. I don't believe in coincidences, so hold on, we're going back to that. That's I've got 15,000 XRP long now. Let's go. People claiming some stupid highs for the year. I've seen people say rubbish like $27, but I do think 6 to 10 is likely. I've been saying 10. I think we'll go a lot. 6 is what, a double up from all-time highs. So, 6 is the conservative bet for sure. 10, the more bullish bet, and then 15, the FOMO bet, right? I think now anything, $20, anything over $15, that's too much. That's too much. But definitely 6 being the conservative bet, 10 being the bullish, more bullish case scenario, and then 15 being that absolute FOMO top right there. Bull market FOMO action XRP. $15 right there. It sounds juicy, don't it? Place is offering 20x on this coin that moves pennies. Man, so much industry news around XRP too. Yeah, maybe some of that might have already been priced in, with our run from 50. Man, they trying to shut us down. I swear. I swear. They be trying to shut us down. I swear, man. Bitcoin is actually getting that move out of that pattern. We might be on our way up here. Then there is that wall at 105.9. But Bitcoin is getting that breakout. Man, I don't know. My channel, we've been dealing with issues for like months. And I don't know if it's YouTube trying to shut us down. I don't know what it is, but we've literally had issues for a long time on this channel. Ever since we got demonetized and everything. And it's almost like YouTube is trying to shut us down, or it's my computer, something to do with my computer, or something to do with my streaming software. But I'm telling you, I've had issues, bad issues for a while, and it's been so stressful. Like you can see right here where it's like the stream it's like every time we start to do good, man, look, we hit 10 viewers here. And then boom, it shut us down. It dropped all the way to 0 viewers, right? We hit 7 viewers, dropped us all the way down to 3. We just hit 12, or no, we just hit 13, and it dropped us all the way back down to 6 because of that issue, because of those issues. It's almost like every time I start to get a good amount of viewers in my stream, all of a sudden it starts dropping frames. Look, it's doing it again right now. It's right now. Right now. Maybe. I mean, I can get rid of that. But I don't think that's the issue though. Yep, it's still dropping frames. Yeah, I'm still well below the bit rate. The bit rate's not. It's like it's capping my bit rate. It's crazy, dude. And my stream would be doing phenomenal right now, probably. But yeah, we can't keep a good can't keep a good run going. They keep on hitting us hard, man. I swear. And I don't know, maybe I can try using different streaming software. I could try something, but it's crazy. Well, yeah, it's ridiculous, man. Like I just want to go live and just be able to go live without it messing up on me. Ugh. I've been trying for so long just to be able to go live, man. It's ridiculous. And now it's probably going to mess up and drop frames. So we'll probably just go ahead and end it. I've been live for a while tonight. It's been a good one. But still disappointing that it's still messing up. Very disappointing that it's still messing up. All right, Bitcoin is getting that move out of the pattern. Let's see if we can hit that target. I appreciate all the new subscribers and everybody that has showed up tonight. I'm going to bounce out. I will see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great day tomorrow.